Hi guys, today I'm going to be starting a new series which is going to be about, it's just going to be top 5 I think, yeah, top 5 YouTubers on YouTube. The first one is Stampy Longnose, or Stampy Longhead, his YouTube channel is. I don't know if you've heard of him before, most of you have. Some of you don't like him, some of you do. I absolutely love Stampy. He does Minecraft videos. Pretty much all of you know what Minecraft is actually, I bet. And Minecraft is just like loads of blocks. You have to try and build your own houses. You don't have to build your house, but it's just do whatever you want with your creative mind. The next one is PewDiePie. He just to let you know, he does swear a lot, so if you're not allowed to watch people swear, then because he swears in every single one of his videos a lot, so yeah, he just plays loads of different types of games he finds online, and he just plays them. So he's a gamer. The next one is Joe Weller. And what he does, he just does random stuff and stuff like that. And the next one is Cal Freezy. He does the same things as Joe Weller because they're both friends. And the next one is Ivan6Squid, and he does the same things as Stampy and does Minecraft. He does it on the PC as well and the Xbox. Stampy does it on the Xbox 360. Ivan6Squid does it on the Xbox and the PC. So that's all I have for now, and I will see you later. Bye.